Okay, in this video we're going to do an application of Pythagorean Theorem. We're given that we have a ladder that is 25 feet long. So here we have 25 feet. And we're set, and that it's set 15 feet from the building. 15 feet from the building. And we're asked, how high is the window? So we know that our right angle is there, so that's the hypotenuse, and so these are our legs. Here's a leg, and here's a leg. And we should know from the previous video that if we call our legs A, so let's call this side A, call that side B, and the hypotenuse we call it C, we get the Pythagorean Theorem. Gives us that the A squared, the sum of the legs squared, equals the hypotenuse squared. Okay? So for us, we know that our A is 15 feet. Squared plus B squared equals, and C, our hypotenuse here, is going to be 25 feet. Okay? And so now we just start doing things. So that 15 feet squared, 15 squared is going to be 15 times 15 is 225. 225, and the feet times the feet gives me square feet, plus B squared equals 25 squared. 625, and again the feet squared is going to be square feet. So now what I'm looking for is I want to solve for B. Anytime you want to solve for something, you want to get it by itself. And so how I get it by itself, it still has this 225 square feet over there. So I subtract it off. And the golden rule in a math equation is that you can do anything you want to as long as you do it to both sides. So I want to get rid of 225 square feet over here. So I must subtract it from this side as well. An equation is like a balance beam. What you add or subtract to one side, you must add or subtract to the other to keep it in balance. Okay? And that's going to leave me with B squared equals 625 minus 225. So 625 minus 225. So give me 400. And it's square feet minus square feet is just subtraction, so it maintains square feet. And if we look now, I don't want B squared, I want B. So to figure out what B is, I have to take the square root. So the square root of B squared equals B. So I need to take the square root to solve for B. But again, anything we do to one side of a math equation, we must do to the other. So that is, if I want to take the square root of this side, I have to take the square root of that side. So the square root of B squared is B, and we're going to get the square root of 400. 400 is 20, and the square root of the square foot is the foot, and that's going to leave me with my final answer of B equals 20 foot. So the window is 20 feet high. Okay? That will conclude this application of the Pythagorean Theorem.